I always dreamed of this moment, with sand in between my toes, the ocean wind blowing in my hair, and the man I love standing in front of me. This man protects me, respects me, is compassionate, dependable, and most importantly, that man is you.
Anna, you're my lover and my best friend. It's been 9 amazing years of growing in life with you. I can't wait for many more to come as I call you my wife. You're an amazing woman, and I know one day you'll be an even more an amazing mother. I will never stop choosing you. You are my person. You are my everything.
Justin, my first, my last, my only love. It's just you and me, literally. Today, started a new chapter of life together. And now our journey begins as husband and wife. I can always count on you to make me laugh or to be waiting around the corner to scare me. I can't imagine my life without you. And at that point, I knew you were the one. Now as your wife, I promise to be the best mother one day, because I know you'll be the best father. Lulu can vouch for that too. You're my best friend. I will love you endlessly, today, tomorrow, and for the rest of my life. I love you, Justin. Yes.
So you two, may you both be a comfort to each other. Share each other's joys, counsel each other in sorrow, help each other through all of life, putting these commitments before all else. If you both live for your love will live forever. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and for all the years to come. May happiness be your companion, and may your days together be good and long upon this earth. And so, by the power vested in me by the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.